touch or warning sign. Some people also ended up needing medication or a procedure afterward because the tissue is not fully passed on its own. So, siguro okay lang yun, tapos tingnan na lang. Pero usually naman, ano para talaga. Whether you are contact your OB or your date, there is very heavy bleeding such as soaking 2 pants per hour or for 2 hours. Severe or worsening pain, fever, all smelling discharge, dizziness or pain, or if you feel weak or unwell. Those can suggest excessive blood loss or infection. So if you claim drug is very multilateral for many
Mas wala
years,
hintay pa.
but
Bibidyo ka ba? Tapos na.
kasi lagi
Bibidyo.
natin
Puso mo to.
basta daw alam ng OB, nag-a-advise na yung OB.
Tatay, ganito magigit mo pag pangalan mo ay loved Tilly.
Tortilla.
Ganito magkukuha mo.
Good night. Love you.
Good night. Dito ako sa'yo.
Balik.